Welcome to this tutorial on how to use Rakuten when shopping on mobile apps. Rakuten is a cashback and rewards platform that offers users a percentage of their purchase back as cash or credit. To get started, first download the Rakuten app from the App Store on your mobile device. Once you have downloaded the app, create an account or log in if you already have one. The next step is to browse through the list of available apps that are partnered with Rakuten. These include popular apps such as Uber, Lyft, and Sephora. When you find an app you want to shop from, click on it and you will be redirected to the App Store where you can download the app. After downloading the app, go back to the Rakuten app and click on the Shop Now button to start shopping. You will then be redirected to the partner app where you can make your purchases as you normally would. The key thing to remember is to always start your shopping trip from the Rakuten app to ensure that you earn cash back on your purchases. Rakuten offers a range of cash back percentages depending on the partner app, so be sure to check the rates before you start shopping. You can also use the Rakuten app to track your earnings and cash out your rewards when you reach the minimum payout threshold. To maximize your earnings, be sure to use the Rakuten app for all of your mobile shopping trips. You can also invite friends to join Rakuten and earn referral bonuses. In addition to cash back, Rakuten also offers exclusive deals and discounts on certain apps, so be sure to check the app regularly for new offers. By following these steps and using the Rakuten app for your mobile shopping, you can earn cash back and rewards on your purchases and make the most of your online shopping experience. Remember to always start your shopping trip from the Rakuten app and to track your earnings regularly to maximize your rewards. With Rakuten, you can shop smart and earn cash back on your purchases, making it a great tool for anyone who shops on mobile apps.